Okay, so this is a Huffy mountain bike. Rim is clean. Brakes work. Have a lot of meat right there, so it can be used. It's a 10-speed mountain bike Storm. Back rim clean. Tires enough tread. It's almost like new. Seat is in good condition. Gears are clean. You can see. Let's see if we can measure. There you go. Gears are clean. Change is in perfect condition. I cleaned the post. The bike is clean too. Gears work perfectly. This two right here. Brakes are nice. I'm 6 foot, and this one is the height that I got it for me right now. But you can lower it if you want. Super easy. So yeah, there you go. Huffy bike for sale.